Good morning, everyone. This is Chris from Down Under, the tiler that's been tiling for 35 years. This is the bathroom. This is the floor that I did yesterday, and I want to show you all the fall to the shower. I absolute hate splits in large tiles. Why have a large tile if you're going to split them? There's no need if it's done properly. Have a look at the fall. Heaps of fall. And those tiles are not split. But it's done in a different way, as I showed you yesterday. Anyway, onward and upward. We're doing the walls today. I've laser leveled the line right around, as you do, and I'll throw these walls up and I'll show you later on this afternoon. Right, here we are doing walls. I'll have to get a tripod though, I think. sometimes people have a feature wall in subway tiles, but this bathroom is all the same, wall and floor, all the same tile, which is cool. I'm going to do a light grey. It's called Misty Grey over here. It'll come out lovely.
I'm mad about you. Mad about you.
This tile chips quite easy on the corner. With this one, after I'd cut the hole and everything and I was putting it up, I noticed I had a chip in the corner. That's the tiler's nightmare. But anyway, I noticed it early enough that I was able to replace it. Not like on Monday and it's dry. These clips that I'm using are quite soft, so I don't have to fluff about with a pair of the squeezy plier things. I can do it all by hand. Because they're a bit softer. I'm going to be having a little bit of a rest. Now look at that bloody beauty. I'm going to be having a bit of a rest this weekend. This is my first day back after 4 weeks holiday. So the body is kicking up a bit of a stink. The old muscles are caning a bit, but next week I'll be right. People say to me, why don't you retire? Why? I really enjoy this sort of thing, so why retire? I love it. Yeah, g'day. It's Chris O from Down Under. This is the progress I've done today. This has been 5 days now. It's from stripped out, started stripping out Monday morning, and now after 5 days I'm not doing that. That's going to be painted up on that wall. So on Monday I have the niche to do there, a few tiles up across the door, along the top here, under the cornice, and a bit there, and another niche there. So I'll piss that in and get it all ready for grouting on Tuesday. So that's sort of basically it. My body's had enough and I'm off for the weekend. See ya.